2 years ago, I was struggling in the market to make consistent profits. I spent years jumping from one trading strategy to the next, trying to find something that worked. I watched countless hours of trading videos and bought multiple expensive courses. But no matter what I did, I couldn't seem to make consistent profits in the markets. I spent ages analyzing past trades, perfecting my strategies, and staying up to date with the latest news. But despite all my efforts, profits remained elusive. I was making money every now and then, but couldn't manage to keep it. During the drawdowns, I would give away all the profits that I made, and even more. I didn't know what I was missing or what was I doing wrong. I thought I was applying everything that I learned from courses and videos, but still couldn't produce desired result. I was losing money left and right. My confidence was at an all-time low. I felt lost and unsure of what to do next. It was a frustrating and disheartening experience. Then one day, I stumbled upon the concept of backtesting. I had heard of it before, but had never given it much thought. Backtesting involves testing a trading strategy using historical market data to see how it would have performed in the past. It sounded interesting, but I had been skeptical about it. After all, how could looking at past data help me make better trading decisions in the present? But I was desperate for a solution, so I decided to give it a try. I selected 3 strategies and decided to backtest them on past 6 months' historical data of the stock that I traded most. I then manually backtested each of those strategies on an Excel sheet. What I found was eye-opening. By seeing how my strategy would have performed under different market conditions, I was able to identify weaknesses and areas for improvement. I learned that though there were times when it was completely failing for multiple days in a row, it was producing a net positive overall outcome. These were the times when I used to blow up my accounts, also called drawdown periods. But seeing the pattern of wins and losses of these strategies made something click in me. It made me realize that I don't have to win every day in order to make money. It's completely okay to have red days, as long as you do not lose your control and overtrade. This used to be my weakness, but now I knew that fighting with the market is lame. By analyzing the results of my backtests, I found that losses were a part of the game, and even after encountering losing streaks, I can still end up profitable at the month's end. I learned that during losing streaks, I must have faith in my strategy and resist the temptation to abandon it and search for a new one. This simple realization proved to be life-changing for me. It helped me remain calm, even during losing streaks. But perhaps the most valuable thing that backtesting gave me was confidence. For the first time, I had real evidence that my trading strategy could work. I no longer had to rely on blind faith or hope that my trades would be profitable. I had hard data to back up my approach, and that gave me the confidence to make more informed decisions during trading hours. I used to think that the key to building confidence in trading is having a strategy that never fails, or predicting the markets with 100% accuracy. But man, not only was I wrong, but also stupid to think that there exists a strategy that never fails. Because the truth is, no matter how successful a trader is, even he or she encounters losses. Backtesting also allowed me to refine my strategies, find the optimum risk-reward ratio for that strategy, and much more. Fast forward to today, and I'm a much more successful trader thanks to backtesting. I no longer feel disillusioned or lost in the markets. I'm no longer gambling with my savings. I'm trading with a disciplined and informed mindset, and it's paying off. If you're struggling to find your footing as a trader, I highly recommend trying backtesting. It's not a magic bullet, but it can be a powerful tool to help you refine your strategy and gain the confidence you need to succeed in the markets. I've attached my Excel backtesting template in the description to help you get started. Subscribe to the channel to become a part of Winning Traders Network, and please like this video if you enjoyed it.